To-do list is getting a lot shorter. Need to top off the coolant, tighten up the air throttle, and finish getting the wheels on it here. So, muffler's on. The air throttle is loose right now. We need to watch it actuate before we can tighten it up. Other than that, I think we've got all the leaks stopped from the trans. Went through and trimmed up all of our zip ties. Put rubber hose in a few more spots where we're worried about chafing so we could isolate them out. We had to move the ground again today to move these wires over. Okay. So last time we started it up here, we saw a little bit of a drip coming out of the return line from the belt housing to the pan. So we fixed that up, cleaned it up, started it up again. No puddle now. Air throttle's working good. We got the new filters in. All that's left is to get it off the blocks and take it for a test drive. So that'll be coming up here soon. I think Lance is going to finish up some stuff in the interior. But that should do it for this until we test drive it. So next up, we're going to hop over on Bill's Eagle there and get the radiator out of it. And we're going to be converting that from a hydraulic fan to a belt driven. I believe Dad and Tim have already started getting the radiator out on that one. I'm cleaning up tools and stuff. We have a bunch of stuff out from the last couple days on this, so I'm going to get everything cleaned up and reorganized, get it down to just the basics that we know we need for that and go from there. There's no mirrors, so one of us have a radio. Back them out. Hey, it has reverse. Yeah. Well, backed out of the shop under its own power. It is a huge step in the right direction.
I hope you wrote a strongly worded letter.
Look at all that stuff back in the trees. And then all the I think this is gonna be my yard one day. I know. There's a lot of cool stuff there.